Senior developers fail this exam not because they don't know AI, but because they study it like it's 2023. The SAP AI Foundation certification has changed. And if you are still memorizing definitions, you are walking into a trap. But first, last video we asked what does the concept of grounding primarily ensures in SAP AI. The correct answer is AI connect to real-time enterprise data for reliability. Big shout out for getting it right. We'll mention today's winner in our next video. One more thing before I walk you through this, if you are serious about building an SAP career, you need to see all the real options available to you. I break down job paths, salaries and what actually matters every week. 86% of you haven't subscribed yet, so if you enjoy the video, please hit that subscribe button, it takes 1 second. Hi everyone, I'm Shrujita and welcome back to our ZaranTech YouTube channel. Now, here are 7 secrets they don't teach you in the syllabus. Secret 1. Master AI core and AI Launchpad operations. This isn't about building models, it's about managing the life cycle. Focus on onboarding, model deployment and API usage. Know how to connect applications to AI runtimes. Secret 2. Deep dive into Generative AI Hub. This is 20 to 30% of your exam. You need to know how to access LLMs from multiple vendors, implement grounding with RAG, retrieval, augmented generation, and manage prompts securely. Secret 3. Leverage Joule Studio for Agentic AI. The shift is happening from simple chatbots to autonomous AI agents. Learn how to build Joule skills and use the AI agent builder for complex business scenarios. Secret 4. Adopt the open book mindset. Memorization is dead. The exam lets you access documentation. Practice finding API definitions and configuration steps fast on SAP Learning Hub. Secret 5. Focus on data integration and document AI. AI is useless without good data. Know how to pull data from S/4HANA into AI workflows and master document AI, extracting data from invoices and purchase orders automatically. Secret 6. Understand security, ethics and governance. Enterprise AI demands responsibility. Understand data privacy, how SAP protects customer data from training third-party models and GDPR compliance. Secret 7. Get hands-on with Python and RAG. Theory won't save you. Use the SAP AI Core SDK with Python. Build actual workflows, simulate real scenarios. That's how you pass. Hit subscribe and ring the bell. You don't want to miss the winner shout out. Today's question for quiz is: which generative AI technique grounds LLM responses with internal SAP data to ensure accuracy and context? A. Prompt engineering. B. Retrieval augmented generation RAG. C. Fine tuning. Or D. Zero shot learning. Drop your answer in the comments. First correct response gets a free shout out in our next video. Subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and don't forget to like and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.